Hey guys, I'm here! Have you seen those mesmerizing portraits and retro AI saree edits all over Instagram and Reels lately? Well, that's Google's Nano banana tool that is going viral right now. In fact, this AI trend is taking over India by storm. There's so many Reels popping up with people making cool edits using this Nano banana. So you better jump on this trend before it's too late. And today, I'm gonna help you do exactly that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Nano banana correctly, make 5 different portrait styles that people are absolutely loving right now, and share the best prompts so you can also ride this wave. Stay till the end because I will reveal a secret prompt that blew up for me. Okay, let's get started. Chapter 1. What is Nano Banana Plus? Why it's trending? First things first, what is this Nano Banana tool all about? Well, it's part of Google Gemini, which is basically like an image editing and generation model. Now don't worry, you don't need to be a tech guru to understand it. Just think of it like a super smart picture editor that uses artificial intelligence to create amazing images based on whatever you want. It takes your prompts and creates these mind-blowing portraits, transforming regular photos into something extraordinary. So why is everyone talking about it? What's the big deal? Well, it's simple. People are creating these cool retro looks edits, and more. It is given a nostalgic vibe that people are obsessed with. And it is really easy to use, even for beginners. But wait, there's more. The real magic is in the prompts. You don't need to be a designer or have any fancy editing skills. Just use the right prompts and watch Nano Banana work its magic. Plus, it's blazing fast. No more waiting around for hours. You get your results in seconds, and you can easily change the style or era of a photo without getting lost in a maze of editing tools. No wonder it's going viral. It's like having a personal AI stylist at your fingertips. Before we dive into some fantastic styles, let me show you something cool. Check out this video from Gadgets 360. They even mentioned me and my name. This article reveals some interesting stats. Over 300 million people have tried Nano Banana. And guess what? Most of them are from India. Yeah, India's leading this Nano Banana craze. So let's see what all the fuss is about. Here is a video from Gadgets 360 where they interviewed me about the Nano Banana trend and asked me for my opinion. I talked about why this trend is catching on in India and how it is changing the way people create content. I also shared some insights from my own experience using Nano Banana and gave some tips on how to use it effectively. So if you're curious about what I had to say, definitely check out this video. I think it was a great opportunity to be part of this exciting trend. And I hope it helps others understand this whole Nano Banana thing better. Now let's get back to the video. Chapter 2. Style number 1. Retro 80s 90s portrait. Alright, let's kick things off with some old school charm. Take a look at this! We've got a regular picture of someone and let S turn it into a stylish retro portrait with a touch of 80s or 90s vibe. Think neon lights, film grain, and that vintage flair. Okay, here's the prompt that worked wonders for me. Create a portrait of a person resembling Bollywood celebrities from the 1980s or 1990s wearing fashionable clothes from that era. Include elements such as neon lighting, film grain, vibrant colors, bold patterns, and a retro atmosphere. I'll break down the prompt for you. First, we tell the AI to create a portrait and mention Bollywood celebrities from the 80s and 90s. This gives it the retro vibe we're after. Then we ask for fashionable clothes from that era. To nail the look, include elements like neon lighting, film grain, vibrant colors, bold patterns, and a retro atmosphere. Okay, let's apply it to our photo and see what happens. Voila! We've got a groovy retro portrait with a hint of 80s and 90s Bollywood magic. If you're feeling experimental, try adding some cool accessories like funky sunglasses or a quirky hat. And if you want to up the ante, play around with different poses. It's all about capturing that retro essence. Remember, a little creativity goes a long way. Chapter 3. Style number 2. Traditional, saree, cultural look. Now let's explore a different style, the traditional saree look, with a cultural twist. Heal S, a regular selfie of someone, and let S transform it into a stunning saree portrait with a touch of tradition and culture. Think classic fabric, elegant draping, and a timeless appeal. Okay, here's the prompt. That worked like a charm for me. Generate a photo of a woman in a traditional Indian saree with golden hour lighting, soft glow, traditional Indian jewelry, bangles, earrings, and a red bindi. Set the scene in a traditional Indian temple or cultural background. Let's break it down. We start by asking for a photo of a woman in a traditional Indian saree. Then we add details like golden hour lighting, soft glow, traditional Indian jewelry, bangles, earrings, and a red bindi to set the scene. We can include a traditional Indian temple or cultural background. Alright, apply it to our photo in Voila. We have a beautiful saree portrait with a touch of Indian elegance. For more variety, experiment with different saree styles and color palettes. And if you're feeling adventurous, try incorporating elements like flowers or other traditional accessories. It's all about embracing the richness of Indian culture through the saree look. Chapter 4. Style number 3. Figurine. Doll style miniature. Now let's embark on a whimsical journey and turn ourselves into tiny figurines. Here's an example of what you can create. Think stylized poses, exaggerated features, and a miniaturized world. Okay, here's the prompt that brought these cuties to life. Turn the subject into an articulated action figure style doll with a strong directional light from above, short focused, depth of field, and a toy diorama type background. Let's break it down. We start by asking for the subject to be turned into an articulated action figure style doll. The prompt then includes details like a strong directional light from above, a short focused depth of field, and a toy diorama type background to complete the look. Alright, apply it to our photo and tada! We have adorable mini versions of ourselves ready to join the world of toys. For more fun, try different poses and backgrounds. The possibilities are endless. Remember to embrace the cuteness overload and let your imagination run wild. Chapter 5. Style number 4. Time travel, self, child-diddled, blend. Next up, let's blend nostalgia with a dash of time travel. Here's a regular photo of someone and let's transform it into a captivating child-adult blend, giving it a dreamy, out-of-focus look. Think soft lighting and a touch of vintage charm. Okay, here's the prompt that made this time travel magic happen. Generate a photo of the subject as a child and blend it seamlessly with their adult self, creating a dreamlike atmosphere with a soft focus and sepia undertones. Let's break it down. We start by asking for the subject to be shown as a child and to have it blended seamlessly with their adult self. The prompt then includes details like a dreamlike atmosphere, a soft focus and sepia undertones to capture that nostalgic feel. Now, apply it to our photo, and behold, we have a mesmerizing child-adult blend that's sure to evoke a sense of wonder and nostalgia. For a different twist, try using older childhood photos for a more aged appearance, or blend multiple photos for a unique effect. The time travel vibes are strong with this one. Chapter 6. Style number 5. Art, painting, per. Fantasy theme. Now let's unleash our inner artists and turn ourselves into captivating pieces of art. Think dramatic lighting, expressive brushstrokes, and a touch of fantasy. Okay, here's the prompt that brought these artistic masterpieces to life. Generate a photo of the subject as if they were a character in a fantasy painting, possibly inspired by legendary artists like Goya, Picasso, Kandinsky, Dali, or Magritte, with oil painting style dramatic light and a surreal or symbolic background. Let's break it down. We begin by asking for the subject to be portrayed as if they are a character in a fantasy painting. The prompt then suggests inspiration from renowned artists like Delacroix, Goya, Picasso, Kandinsky, Dali, or It also includes details like an oil painting style, dramatic light, and a surreal or symbolic background to enhance the artistic effect. Now apply it to our photo in Voila. We have stunning art pieces that showcase our subjects in a whole new light. Feel free to experiment with different artists and backgrounds for a diverse range of styles. The more creative, the better. And here you have it, folks. 5 fantastic nano banana styles that are turning heads on social media. Which one's your favorite? Are you ready to join the nano banana trend and give it your own unique spin? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And hey, don't forget to stay tuned for more AI adventures. I've got another style in the works for next week. Who knows? Maybe you can even suggest a style in the comments and I'll try to incorporate it. Until then, keep creating, keep experimenting, and embrace the AI revolution. It's time to unleash your inner digital artists and let the world be your canvas. Happy Nano Banana